everyone, welcome to the channel. Summer is coming now, so we are going to prepare some summer drinks, refreshing drinks, very easy and quick, so you can have your lovely summer with this refreshing drinks. So let's make it now. It's called Detox Water, so whenever you feel dehydrated, so it will help you to cool your body. So let's make the detox. And those are looking for a diet drink, so it's a really nice one and the perfect one. So let's start it to make it. We got some chopped ginger, cucumber, slices of lemon, water, some mint leaves, and if you have lemongrass you can add it or not, is optional. Take the cucumbers in a glass or jar, whatever you have. Add slices of lemon. You can add lime as well if you want. Add ginger, chopped ginger. This is roughly chopped. And now we are going to add some fresh mint leaves. Now water. Leave these drinks about 15 minutes, and best if you add some ice with it. And those like sweetener, you can add honey, sugar or sweetener, whatever you want. We are going to add some honey and keeps up some ices. If you want to get the best flavor, best taste, I would recommend leave it overnight like this and drink every day in the morning, so it will refresh your body. Or if you want very quick drinks, then after 10 or 15 minutes you can have it. So enjoy your summer with Detox Water.